Welcome! Today, we're diving deep into an important part of your car's engine management system, the MAP sensor, or manifold absolute pressure sensor. A malfunctioning MAP sensor can wreak havoc on your vehicle's performance, and in this video, we're going to cover the symptoms of a bad MAP sensor and why it's so critical to the health of your car. Without further ado, let's get started. One of the most common symptoms of a bad MAP sensor is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. While the check engine light can signal a wide variety of issues, a faulty MAP sensor is a frequent culprit. When the sensor provides inaccurate data, your ECU will throw off error codes that trigger the light. The best way to confirm it's the MAP sensor is to use a code reader to diagnose the issue. Codes related to the MAP sensor typically start with P0105 through P0109. Another telltale sign is a sudden drop in fuel efficiency. Since the MAP sensor plays a key role in determining the air-fuel mixture, a faulty sensor can cause your engine to run rich or lean. This means too much or too little fuel is being injected into the engine, leading to higher fuel consumption. If you're noticing that you're visiting the gas station more frequently without a change in your driving habits, your MAP sensor could be to blame. Engine misfires are another significant symptom of a bad MAP sensor. Misfires occur when one or more of your engine cylinders fail to fire properly. This can happen because the air-fuel mixture is not optimal due to incorrect data from the MAP sensor. Another consequence of a faulty MAP sensor is increased emissions. When the air-fuel mixture is off, your engine may burn more fuel than necessary, which not only affects your gas mileage but also your vehicle's emissions. You may notice dark smoke coming from your exhaust or even fail an emissions test due to a rich fuel mixture. This is particularly concerning if you live in an area that requires regular emissions inspections. Fixing a bad MAP sensor. Replacing a bad MAP sensor is generally a straightforward process, and it's often located on or near the intake manifold. Once you have the right part for your vehicle, it's just a matter of disconnecting the old sensor, plugging in the new one, and clearing the error codes from your ECU.